In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust and move banner box and button position in Shopify. First, open your Shopify store and log into the admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This is where you control how your storefront looks and feels. In the Themes area, click Customize. That opens the theme editor, which lets you make visual changes without touching any code. Inside the editor, find and select the Image Banner section. You'll usually see it listed in the left sidebar. If you're editing a specific page template, make sure you're on the right template so you're changing the banner you actually want. With the image banner selected, focus on the right-hand settings panel. This is where you'll move and style the banner's content box and its button. Look for options like content position or alignment. These controls typically let you shift the text box to the left, center, or right, and sometimes to the top, middle, or bottom. As you change the position, the button will move with the text box, keeping everything aligned. Use spacing or padding controls to nudge the box away from the edges so it doesn't feel cramped. If your theme includes desktop and mobile-specific settings, review both to make sure the box and button look good on every device. Next, adjust animations. Many themes offer subtle on-load or scroll animations for the banner text and button. Choose a style that enhances visibility without distracting from your message. A gentle fade or slide is often enough. If timing or duration controls are available, keep them short so the content appears quickly. Now refine the text and fonts. Update the heading, subheading, and button label in the fields provided. Keep headlines concise and button text action-oriented. For fonts and sizes, use the section's typography controls if available, or open your theme's typography settings to match your brand. Prioritize readability. Ensure your font size is large enough, and check contrast between text, button, and the background image. If the image is busy, enable an overlay to make the text and button stand out. Use the device preview icons to see how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Confirm that the banner box and button remain visible, well-spaced, and easy to tap on smaller screens. When you're satisfied, click. Save in the top right corner. Give the page a quick refresh on your storefront to confirm the changes are live. That's it. You've adjusted and moved the banner box and button position in Shopify, fine-tuned animations, and polished your text and fonts for a clean, professional look.